Okay. Before our switch on, we will be having a symbolic lighting ceremony, candle lighting ceremony, headed of course by our city mayor and the rest of our city officials, kag ang aton nga mga participants. Tanan kita, upod kita sa sining nga symbolic lighting of candle ceremony. This activity is sending, of course, a very powerful message to the rest of the world that we are taking a stand on global warming. So all together, i-light natin ang ilang mga candle. And of course, ibutang natin sa atong nagigustuhon ang meaning sa ina nga seremonya. As I said earlier, all together, come together tonight, of course, as we seek causes that unite rather than divide us. And this is the very reason why Ara kita subong, because we are sending a strong signal. We are initiating citizen action in global warming to help lower our carbon dioxide emissions and at the same time enhance awareness among residents, the business community, and other stakeholders on the importance of reducing energy consumption.
Yes, bilang.
Thank you very much for your cooperation and for taking part in this worldwide endeavor. After that, pwede na kita mabalik sa ato ng mga pwesto.
Bina, bina.
Hinahangin natin. Hawanan natin ang ating Okay.
Ano?
Earth Hour engages a massive mainstream community. It also brings community together in a common goal, ina ang pagsalbar sa atong na kinailangan. If there is a man who advocates and wanted to capture the power of the crowd of every Corona Gadanyo to engage and each other voice to some of the biggest environmental campaign across our city, sa atong bukod na bungsod, sa atong bukod nga kalibutan, sigurado po ako ito ang kanyang pangunahing adikain. For our countdown and begin his opening remarks, please help me welcome our city mayor, the Honorable Dr. Peter P. Miguel.
Wala luluday.
Aming Coronadal!
Yes!
Eh, mayroong gabi sa talan. Balik sa talan.
Ano sa akin?
Yeah. Hello? Ayan. Hello, so, but, mayong gabi. I'd like to greet you all na gandang gabi ngayon. Lalong-lalo na lahat tayo nag-cooperate. And I'd like to thank your presence. Your presence means a lot to us. Not only the sacrifice that you walk, eh, 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 eh. Hirap. Medyo nagpo-conserve ng energy ang ating microphone. So, wala nang paligoy-ligoy. Our activity today symbolizes our advocacy, our heart, and our ambition, and our lifestyle. This is it. So, kita ka naman the signs of the times. The times are really changing. Para subong, bila nakabulan, bila nakaadlaw, wala ulan. Init na gid siya. Atong tuta na galitik. ang aton nga mga karbaw. Wala na. Pinauhaw ang mga baka. Wala na. There's a sign of famine. It's so fearful. Nakakatakot po. That's why we really need your help. Every inch of your help to the environment is very, very important. Every inch. Hindi na po ito ngayon. Hindi lamang po ang pagkakas natin ngayon. Hindi lamang ang pagpatay natin ng ilaw ngayon. Ito'y kasama lang sa lahat ng bagay natin gagawin. Pagpatay ng ilaw sa bahay araw-araw sa mga ilaw na hindi ginagamit. Pag-iwas gumamit ng mga fuel. Pag-iwas gumamit ng electricity pa-conserve. Paggawa na lang ng paraan, pagtanim, paglinis ng kapaligiran, na hindi paninigarilyo, na lahat na pwede natin may gawa para sa environment. Every inch ay dapat gawin na natin siya, hindi lamang earth hour. Obrang na siya ataw-ataw, oras-oras. Make it as our own lifestyle. Yung concern natin hindi po lamang sa ngayong araw. So, I'd like to thank you all again and again and again. And it's only sad to see around that not 100% of us is participating tonight. That's why from now on we will work hard with our councilors here, Councilor Cadilino, Councilor Tagunsan, and Councilor Dedeles. What I have in mind is we will have an ordinance. We will make it as a local law here in Coronadal that every 28th of March, everyone, no one will be spared. We should shut down our electricity for at least an hour from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Pwede ba yan, mga councilors? Hingin po natin sa inyo a legislative measure that will solidify and cement this act of ours. Magiging lifestyle din namin natin, po lamang natin dito ngayon. Na isa tayo sa mga advocates, but for all Coronadaleños. So yun po, so that we'll have meetings. And speaking of our environment, nakalimutan po tayong measures that's coming over. I hope you're going to cooperate with us. One is the shout, and that is the practice that is no to plastic. Gagawin na po natin yan. Yung ating ordinance, nandito pa rin ulit yung ating mga councilors. We're asking your help, Councilor Cadilino, Councilor Tagunsan, Councilor Didines. Yung no to plastic po, sana magawa nyo na ng paraan doon sa kanyang pangunso na talagang ma-implement na po natin. At lahat-lahat. At ako'y nagre-remind sa inyo na sa darating ng June 29, matanom liwat kita. Matanom liwat kita just like before. And this time we will plant all over. Riverbanks, mountains, street side. So yan po. We know you are one sa advocacy ito pag-alaga ng ating environment. Before I end, let me tell you one story that I read this morning in the papers. Even doon sa Antarctica, ang mga ice, nalusaw na. Nalusaw na, more than 20% na. Kaunti na lang, piling. Kamay na lang. Kamay na lang. Kamay na lang nabilin dito sa Antarctica. So, with God's grace, with all our heart, with all our hands, again, Coronadaleños, mabuhay tayong lahat for being one, for the environment, for being one, for our future, for being one, for our children. Kanami, Coronadal, God bless us all. So, pabalik tayo sa ating mga life. Hello. Huwag ulit kalimutan, we'll continue to minimize our energy consumption. We will reuse, recycle, huwag kalimutan, the 3 R's, reuse, recycle, and reduce. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do the light. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, ang ating a round of applause, please. Salamat po. Salamat po, Barangay.
Ato na ba di anak si Mayor